Namaste everyone. In today's lesson, I shall teach you how to pronounce the word THE when it comes before words which begin with vowel or vowel sounds A, E, I, O and U. So, how do we pronounce the word THE which comes before any word which begin with any of these vowel? So for us to remember, I have written 5 examples each of the respective vowels, which are A for architect, aeroplane, agency, aerodrome, Arctic. E for engineer, eagle, eraser, easel, Everest. I for icon, ice, iron, ideas, Isaac. O for otter, oxygen, overall, oxen, obedient. And lastly, U for urn, Uranus, umbrellas, universe, use. So you can see that if I put the word THE before each of the words I have written here which begin with each of the respective vowels, I should pronounce it as the. So for your convenience, I have written it in Hindi, the, badi ki matra and THEE, just for you to remember how to pronounce it, but don't write this in your answer script. Okay, dear children? So THEED, please don't confuse it with the old or archaic English, which means you. THEED means you in old English, but only for you to remember I have written this. Okay, this is just the formula for as a backdoor method to remember how to pronounce THE when it comes before a vowel. So we have to pronounce it as the architect, the eagle, the ideas, the Arctic, the universe, the Uranus, etc. So here we can see that THE comes before concrete noun as well as abstract nouns. So concrete nouns can be divided into 5 types. These are proper noun. So example of proper noun is Arctic, Uranus, oxygen, Isaac. Common noun example is engineer, otter. Collective nouns example is ideas or oxen, which are also plural nouns, and material nouns like ice, iron, etc. Okay, so we should remember that THED, when it comes before a word which begins with a vowel, this can be either a concrete noun or abstract noun or singular noun or plural noun. So concrete noun means any noun which we can feel with our 5 sense organs. Clear? And abstract noun means which are our feelings or state of mind. Okay? So here the word ideas is an abstract noun. Okay? But the word iron is a material noun or common noun. So I hope you will remember this, that when THE comes before any word which begins with a vowel or even has a vowel sound, even though it does not begin with a vowel, then it will be pronounced as the. Suppose HOURLY, hourly report. So H is not having the absolute sound of a consonant, but it is having the sound of a vowel. So in this case, we will pronounce THE if it comes before it as the. So we have to say the hourly report. Thank you so much, everyone.